Hi my friends, today we model this part with some interesting features and with this drawing. We start by creating this revolving object, 64 and diameter of 120. Let's get started. New standard millimeter side PT, new sketch, XY plane. Then we draw an axis of 64, vertical 64. We move this and we make this center line. Then we draw a line to create an arc. We go to the right and somewhere here. Then vertical, and we close this contour. This diameter is 120. 120, and this center must be placed right here. Finish sketch, revolve, and we have the first volume. We continue with this cut. You see here an ellipse. We'll use these dimensions, 10 and 20 radii of the ellipse, then 30 and half of 20 to measure from here. We use the plane XY for a new sketch, F7. Then we project this arc. We draw a vertical line and a horizontal line. Dimensions, this is 20 divided by 2, and this is 30. Then we draw an ellipse with this vertical axis and with dimensions. This is 10 and this is 20. Tangent must be the ellipse on two directions. And now we apply trim. As you can see, finish sketch, extrude with cut, symmetry all the way. Okay. We see here a radius of 5. Yes, around that contour. This is 5. Okay. Then we apply mirror of the last and the previous feature about this plane. Okay. This is the result. Another fillet is this radius 25, somewhere here. We select this edge and we apply 25 millimeters the radius. This part is a shell with a thickness of 4 millimeters. This is why we use the tool shell. We eliminate this face and we apply 4 millimeters. Okay. Next is this internal cylinder with a diameter of 25 placed in the center. Also here we see a square of 12 to apply a cut on 24 millimeters depth. We turn back the part, we select this face, new sketch, circle, right here is the center, diameter of 25, finish sketch, extrude to the part. Yes. Okay. If you take a look, there is a radius 5 fillet here. 5. Okay. We select this face for a new sketch, then a polygon with 4 sides, center here and placed somewhere. We apply horizontal to one side. We place the dimension of 12. Finish sketch, extrude with cut on 24. Good. The last operation is this hole. We use counter bore to create 10 millimeters here and metric 8 inside. The placement is at 18 from the base. We create a new plane based on YZ and tangent to this side. New sketch, point, distance of 18, and the Z is vertical. We use horizontal to place this to align on vertical. Hole. Inventor knows what means this point, and you see it goes through the part. Not good. We use thread of metric 8, isometric profile 8, then counter bore with diameter of 10 and the depths arbitrary to be inside here. we apply a distance to this face or this face for that hole, and full depth, not limited. Yes, we apply this hole, we hide the plane, and you see here the thread, the hole, and the depth. Let's see what is the volume. Properties, physical, update, select the value, copy, close, hole, drawing, double click, and the new value is very similar with the original of my model. We select the last value because this is what we did here together. The material for this part is stainless steel. We use view to eliminate edges, and we change IBL to lights. You see, there is no difference between the two. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.